What's up? My name's Zach. I'm 23 years old and I'm a picky eater. Yeah, started when I was a kid. I like chicken fingers, pizza, like pasta with butter. It's been hard, really hard. I go out to restaurants with my friends. They're browsing the menu and I'm asking for the kids' menu. So that's when I found Moji Masala. I'm not really much of a chef myself, but they make it easy. You scan a QR code and video tutorial pops up. If I could do it, anybody could do it, Here goes nothing. That's actually really good. This is really good.